Hi, I'm Miss Walker, and in this lesson today, we're going to do the subtraction with ungrouping chants that I'm sure you guys have already heard of. If you've seen my other videos, you've seen subtraction with place value blocks, subtraction with place value discs, and subtraction with the place value chart. So this is going to be the standard algorithm. I actually teach them this chant whenever we start the standard algorithm. But first, I do start with my place value blocks. That way they have the hands-on, the tactile, the visual. So, here we go. When we do subtraction, we always make sure that we put our big number, which is our minuend, on top. The subtrahend, the number you're subtracting, subtrahend, subtraction, goes on the bottom. You always have the big number on top. So, when we subtract, we always start in the ones. So, we're looking at the ones place. This part says, more on top, no need to stop. So, I make my students participate with me, and they have to do the actions, and whatever my voice does, their voice has to do. So, more on top, no need to stop. So we're going to start in our ones place. We have 8 on top. 8 is greater than 7. More on top, no need to stop. So 8 take away 7. We're not going to hold up 8 fingers and count down. We are going to count up. We're going to start at 7. Put 7 in your head. 7. 8. That's only one finger. They are one apart. So that means that in my ones place, I will have a 1. Then I have 8 take away 1. More on top, no need to stop. 8 take away 1, if you count down, the next number is 7. That is also in the same fact family. These two are in the same fact family. Then we have 5, and we're going to take away 2. 1, 2. And we have 3 left. So the difference, the answer to your subtraction problem is called a difference. The difference is 371. Now we're going to move to the next part. This one I like a lot, just because the kids get really into it as well. This one says, numbers the same, zeros the game. So when I teach that one, I have them go, numbers the same, zeros the game. So we start in our ones place. We've got 6 on top, 1 on the bottom, and we just learned about that. If there's more on top, there's no need to stop. 6 take away 1 leaves you with 5. 8 take away 8. Here's where numbers are the same. So if I have 8 and I take away 8, numbers the same, zeros the game. You have nothing left. Then I've got 3, take away 2. More on top, no need to stop. That leaves me with 1. In this problem, my difference is 105. Now here is the tricky part. It's my favorite one, just because of how into it the kids get, especially when a student forgets to ungroup and go to the next place. They'll be like, you better go to the next place. You got to go next door and get 10 more. So they're super cute when they do that. Here we go. We're going to start in the ones place. We have 9, take away 3. And if you're doing touch math, you have 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Here's where this chant comes in handy. You have 1 on top and you have 5 on the bottom. If you only have 1, there's no way that you can take away 5 because you have more on the floor, more on the bottom. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. So it's kind of like a dance when you do that one. You go more on the floor, door, go next door, get 10 more. Or you can have them say more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. So that way they're doing actions to help remember what they are supposed to do. Ooh. All right. So we said go next door. We're always going to move to that higher place value to get the numbers from when we get 10. So I'm going to cross out the 6 in my hundreds place, and that is going to make it 5 hundredths. Now I'm going to put my 10 tens that make 100. I'm going to put the 10 in the tens place. That puts a 10 and a 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. So now I've got 11, and I'm going to take away 5. Here's my touch math. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Then I have 5 more on top. No need to stop. 5, take away 3. 5, 4, 3, 2. The difference is 266.